The world is changing, and we are introducing you to the latest next-gen technology to identify automation opportunities through our workshops, deploying lean and design thinking concepts. We will train your employees on a zero-code platform so that your team is ready to develop automation within weeks. Our business analysts will help you in the process deep dive journey and suggest the future state. With our structured implementation plan, you can deploy automation within a few weeks. You can reduce the total cost of ownership by 50% by embracing a hyper-automation platform. Cost saving of minimum 30% is achievable. ROI can be delivered within 12 months on an average. Automation velocity is 40% to 50% faster than comparable tools. Best-in-class customer support. Highly customizable as per your requirement. RPA, intelligent automation, machine learning, all in one platform. Data modeling and extraction. State-of-the-art solutions for structured, semi-structured, unstructured data processing and extraction. Machine learning, image classification, text classification, and object detection. Chatbot, the only platform to offer both chatbot and fulfillment capabilities on a single design studio. We are offering you the ultimate RPA offer from Naruna. Disruptive pricing for licensing and implementation. Disruptive technology for all your automation needs. Sign up now for a 60-minute demo and avail of the ultimate RPA offer. Naruna, your trusted business partner.